The annual discourses that we refer to as yajnas give us the basics of life and living. It makes one aware that we have choices. Now, when we say that, you could be born in the best of circumstances and feel miserable. Or you could be born in the worst of circumstances and come out with flying colors. Now, it doesn't matter what your background is, but each one must understand, I'm responsible for my life. So wherever one is, you could make choices in such a way that you're progressive, prosperous, efficient, dynamic, and at the same time peaceful. So these lectures help us look into these aspects of life in a methodic way.